Hello, and welcome to Aviation No Tie Downs. This is where we bring you interesting stories of our shared passions for the people, the business, and the adventure of aviation. I am here with my friend Hank Canterbury today, and we just got started this morning with an amazingly fun and beautiful flight in his Pitts aircraft.
Good morning, Glendale. Pitts 4 Lima X-ray, North Hangars with Kilo. Taxi for south departure from midfield.
Pitts 4 Lima X-ray, Glendale ground, runway 1, taxi via Alpha 5 from midfield.
Runway 1, Alpha 5. Thanks, Mike. Okay, ready? Lined up, tail we're straight. And then we'll do a couple of rolls. We'll get to that, and then we'll do some loops, and then we'll do some other maneuvers. How about that?
All right, perfect.
All right. Now, when we do an aerobatic turn, it's a little different from your Cessna, but I'm going to show you what an aerobatic turn looks like. You bank first, then pull, like this. Roll out.
Okay.
Hold it in there. Hold it in there. Hold it in there. Now stop it. Now pull the nose up back to level.
We did a little bit of aerobatics, did we not?
We did indeed. You did a great job. Which maneuver did you like the best?
I have to say we did a lot of rolls, we did some hammerheads. I think the Immelman is my favorite. Yeah, so.
Half loop with a half roll at the top and then you did a good job with it too when you flew it.
Thank you. Well,
Yeah, that's a hard one for people when they get started in aerobatics to get right. They usually do a snap roll at the top.
Ah, okay, all right, well thank you. And Hank's giving me a lot of credit on that, but I had a lot of help from the back seat there, so.
Pretty fun, huh?
Totally fun.
We're going to pull the nose up quite steeply like a loop, and I'm going to push forward until we get light in the seat.
Okay.
It'll be 0 G. If you want to look at that little G meter in front of you, it'll say 0.
Okay.
All right?
Yep.
I'm going to pull it up here and get us going up in the vertical. So we've got plenty of time to go 0 G. Now then, right here we're positive. Now I'm going to go 0. You can feel it. That's 0 G. See that?
Ooh, yes.
See, you're floating.
That's so fun.
That's what the astronauts feel like.
Yeah.
But notice the nose is still turning. 0 G.
Right.
Now I got to sit back down again and pull back up. But I want you to relax. You're going to be laying over on one side of the cockpit. All right? I'm going to roll it up to the right. We'll be in a knife edge or 90 degrees of flight. All right, here we go. Same like we're turning. Now I'm putting in top rudder. We're going to roll it over, and I'm going to start to push forward on the stick right here. And we're going to fly inverted.
Wow.
See that?
Amazing, yes.
Yeah, you know we can make turns inverted. You can do anything you want to up here. When I get vertical, look at the left wing again, okay?
Okay.
Pull and squeeze that thing. Here we go. We're going to pull into the vertical, squeeze hard. Okay, look at the left wing. Once I get vertical right here, now I'm going to push the stick and we're going to turn around in vertical. See this? Look at that. And we're going to stop. I'm going to hammer head out. Stop. We could roll again if we wanted to.
We flew with Lightspeeds today in a very noisy airplane, that blue thing right there.
Yes.
And what'd you think? That's about as big a test as you can get.
They worked fantastic.
I
Yeah.
thought so.
Yeah.
I've been wearing them for 2 years in that airplane.
Yeah.
And strangely enough, that headset, I do not have to have a chin strap.
Right.
They stay on my head even with inverted flight, negative 2 or 3 Gs, which is, I haven't been able to get any other headsets to do that.
So when you retired, in addition to doing general aviation flying, which we talked about, you still like to do the aerobatics.
Yes, I do. I guess being a fighter pilot, it's kind of in your blood, and
Right.
being a Thunderbird too, where we did aerobatics in formation. A few years ago, I was able to buy a Pitts, which is the one I have now is factory built. And I also compete in some of the local aerobatic competitions over the time. And here's my I Love Me competition wall. Kind of thing.
Right.
Yeah, so.
Right. So you, even to this day, you're still doing aerobatic competitions.
Yes, I do. I do it regularly. I fly my Pitts about 3 or 4 times a week.
It's fantastic.
Because it's just such a delight to fly, and I like it.
Yeah. Thank you for watching this episode of Aviation No Tie Downs. Now, let's go flying.